Ow! Can't go back now. This is what quarantine does to you. Good morning, world. Good morning, grouper.
Good morning, Adelia.
This is how we sleep every night.
Yeah, and I can't get any sleep because you be calling me all night. Anyways, here's your hot sister, Lyra.
Alright, let's get this day going. Drip, 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 drip. Ta-da! You can see downtown LA from my apartment. How cute is that? And there's a giant palm tree. Hi. Today's kind of a sad day. I am on my way to my ex job. Just going back to the office to pick up any things that I forgot. It's gonna be so sad. Okay, let's just go. There it is. It's so sad. That's it. Moving on. Hello to my best friend.
This is what our life is gonna be like now.
This is Ari, everybody. Say hi.
This is Pixel.
Oh, so cute. He's a Bengal kitten. Oh, so cute.
Okay, get off.
I decided to treat myself to none other than, you better believe it, I'm about to get hella chicken nuggets. The bag is secured. I repeat.
The bag is secure.
Yay! Mark would literally give me so much shit for eating this right now. Oh. Oh, you guys are awake. Good morning. Let me see your beautiful face. You're so gross. You're so beautiful. You're so beautiful. You're on my leg. Oh, sorry. Oh, do you want some coffee?
Yeah.
Go Hawks.
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Yes. Hi world. Oh my god, I literally look like a ghost.
Yeah.
Twins in the house. Literally ugly twins. No, we're both very, very ugly. She is up and at it. Need to go poopy? Go poop. Go have your morning poop. Here is our outfit for the day. I have this cute crop sweatshirt from Vans. Look at the back, so dope. I don't know where these jeans are from. These are literally my favorite. You look pretty. You should clean your room though. Look at this mess. Look at her room and look at my, okay, not that. Look at my clean room. It's okay, I still love you. Are you ready? Hold on, can I borrow it? I'm gonna do this. She's ready. Okay, she's about to dye my hair purple or lavender or whatever it's gonna be. You're about to go this color. Your little head. Are you excited? Are you nervous? Honestly, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. It's okay, we're gonna wing it. It's gonna look great, it's gonna look nice, it's gonna look cute. We're trying to decide between this lavender and this blue purple. All right, people, we found one. We need two, just in case, because I'm scared if I don't have enough. Half my head is gonna be blonde, half my head is gonna be violet, and then it's not gonna look good, and then I won't get a lot of dates. You don't get a lot of dates either way. Safety first. It actually smells really good. I know, it's coconut. You like the coconut? Because I like coconut. Give me that. Oh shit, I'm about to get a vlog and drive. I got a big forehead. Okay, if you have a big forehead, then I have a big forehead because we're twins. So are you saying, oh, look at those. Look at those pigeons. Pigeons. Now we're hungry. Should we go somewhere not healthy? Okay. We always crave fries. This is why we're twins. This is why we're sisters. This is why we're alike. I literally just had McDonald's yesterday, but we're gonna go again. Another day, another Big Mac is about to get eaten. Why is it so delicious? I got all the essentials. Yes, 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 yes. Ew. The most essential thing. What do you think? Think it's gonna turn out really good or what?
I'm worried for your hair because you're bleaching it. It's gonna look cool though.
Yeah? I know, I like the color. I'm gonna look hot. I'm gonna look like an emo girl. Are you excited? I'm a little nervous, to be honest.
So as you guys can see, these, actually hold on, I need both of you in here. If it wasn't obvious already, both of these girls are just going through something hectic in life. She dyed her hair dark brown. She's going purple with it. When can we expect some like weird piercings to pop up?
I'm not doing shit. I'm thinking of getting my nip pierced.
Yeah?
I'll do that. I'll do that with you. Yeah? Yeah. Oh!
That'd be sick. You should get different sides so each of you has.
I call right. Yeah, I'll do this one because my nose ring's on this side. My nose on that side. And my boob is bigger. This boob is bigger. Step 1, add bleach. Oh yeah. Step 2, nom 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 on my cheeseburger. Step 3, put on the butt inspection gloves. Step 4, a word from Rupert.
Better not fuck this up, Lyra.
I'm scared. Ow! Can't go back now. What are the best and worst things about being a twin? You fight a lot about clothes. What is your favorite food? Spaghetti. What's your favorite food? Pasta. Are you musically talented at all? Do you play any instruments? Little does everybody know, I used to play violin for 4 years, and you played clarinet. You were a band geek and I was an orchestra geek. best and worst parts about living with your twin? Oh, she's a messy ass. Your room is so messy. You leave shit all around the freaking living room. All love, but you leave so much stuff out.
What's your least favorite part about Adelia?
She's moody as hell.
There we go. Get some fucking tea on her. Tell me the best Adelia freakout story.
One time you got really mad at me for something I don't remember, and you literally threw all of my shit in the living room and was like, get out, get out. And I'm like, nope. And I just sat on the couch until you left. Okay, great. Now everyone hates me. Have you ever liked the same boy? No. We have a totally different taste in men. I don't know about you, but look how beautiful she is. She would beat my ass, and then that boy would fall in love with her, and then forget about me, and then they're gonna live happily ever after, and then I would literally be single for the rest of my life. Oh, that's the sweetest thing you've ever said to me. You're welcome. Favorite color? Purple. What? Who was born first? Me, and then my mom was cooking her, and then she was like, ooh, 10 minutes later decided to pop out. I was in the world by myself for 10 whole minutes, you guys. Oh God, it was the best 10 minutes of my life. That's fucked up. Look like Paramore. We just put toner on me. I don't think we're doing this right. Oh yeah, oh ow. All right, I had to take all my makeup off because it was literally just coming off anyways when I was showering. Now we're gonna put the purple in. I'm so excited. I love it. Honestly, this could be worse. This is what quarantine does to you. Could you just put this in my hair? Yuck.
Eventually.
It's the next day, and this is what my hair looks like. I am obsessed. It's so cute, and I put a cute little dress on because I'm taking photos. I love it. Comment down below if you like it, what you think of it. I am gonna go to Mark, see what he thinks of it. I took a couple photos today. They'll be up on Instagram, but this is my cute little outfit and some Nikes. Yeah, nothing matches, but I love when it like doesn't match, you know? Why is it raining? It's everywhere. Oh.
You vlog, I gotta duck down. Look at this stance, guy. All right, anyways, continue.
All right, what do you think of the hair?
I like it. Yeah? I think that Graham needs to touch it up here because it looks a little brassy, but I like the purple.
It looks purple in the camera, doesn't it? It looks like very...
Yeah, but in real life, it looks just a little orange. You like it?
Yeah, I do.
You like the orange part?
Kind of.
Oh.
Hi everyone, I just wanted to interrupt this vlog to tell everybody that I am so stinking overwhelmed with all the amazing and beautiful comments that I got on my first video. It was crazy to see how much support I got on it. It just makes me want to work that much harder. So thank you all so much. I appreciate every one of you. And yeah. Pearson, what do you think? What do you think of it?
I like it a lot.
Yeah?
That's great.
You really like it?
Yeah.
You're so tall.
You're so tiny. No, I like it a lot. I think that's great. Mark, are you gonna dye your hair purple too?
Nah, bro. I started this trend before it even became like quarantine, like my life's going into shits. I dyed my hair pink,
yeah.
before anyone else started dyeing their hair.
Before Billie Eilish started dyeing her hair.
Exactly.
Before anybody was born.
Exactly, and guess what?
What?
My pink hair washed out by the time all these motherfuckers started dyeing their shit.
So you had your midlife crisis in your 20s, which means you're the best.
Yeah, motherfucker!
Hello, people! I just want to say thank you so much for all the love and support I got on my last video.
You guys crushed it! 50,000 subs! What?
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And there is a new video coming out on Monday of me styling Mark and myself. If this gets 20K likes,
easy,
then I will post a bonus vlog on Friday.
That's what the people want!
Guys, the people want it and the people will get it.
Give me this fucking camera. Look at this daggone view, guys. Oh my goodness. All right, back to you. Say bye.
Bye!